welcome back to my channel. I'm the coins monster. Thank you for coming back in, guys. Today I have for you market update, and this chart will help you understand why the current position of the market is the way it is. Where do I see the market going in short term, and where do I see it going in the midterm, and how likely is the remainder of the bull market going to play out. Okay, let's get into it. You can see on my screen right here, I have a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Okay, and within this chart, I have a blue fractal. Okay, this fractal is actually the price action that Bitcoin already played out earlier this year from April, May, and June. See? Now, if I overlay this onto the current price action, well, this is what is most likely to happen. You can see it fits almost identical. Alright, almost got rejected at exactly that fractal point. Now, do I see Bitcoin going down a bit further? I actually do. Why that is because the Elliott waves. First, okay, Bitcoin made an all-time high of 69k, came back to retest, and then eventually failed to break 66. That to me means it has to start an ABC correction. So that 66,000 is the base of wave A of an ABC correction. So we have A wave, B wave, failed to rally and break the 59k, so it eventually crashed. Okay, so that's an ABC, but I see it going further down because people don't know that C wave is actually the longest in ABC correction. Well, that's because there's 1 to 5 Elliott wave count inside of wave C. So wave 1, which is the drop, wave 2 is the automatic rally, wave 3 is the support of that candle body close, wave 4 goes to the height of wave 2 and then eventually breaks down. Okay, now in confluence with the Elliott wave counts, we have pattern trading. Alright, so we have a top here, we have a double top here, and the measured move of its double top comes out deeper than the drop of 41k. Okay, now even if we ignore this double top, then there's another pattern just called the bear flag. Okay, now you can see Bitcoin is currently breaking this bear flag right here. Okay, now the measured move of this bear flag is going to be the top of this resistance to the base of this wick right here, which means Bitcoin can either hit 39, and if there are people panicking thinking it's going to 0, it can come down to 35. Alright, I personally think it bounces between 40 and 39,000. Okay, because it never goes deeper as people expect it to. Just like it did last time, people were calling for 25k, and it only ended up going to maybe about 29. So, well, I do expect it to bounce from 39. Okay, so there's multiple confluences with pattern tradings and Elliott wave counts. Now, I'm personally like to be very sure of my trades. So, finally, I turn to Fibonacci retracements. Okay, now if I take this bottom and this top right here, we can see that the key levels, they come back to exactly the Fibonacci retracements. So the major ones, okay, we see that Bitcoin here bounced from the 786, then it held the 702 as support, it held the 618 as support, and eventually got rejected from the 0.5, which means the next level of retracements is going to be the 0.886. And as you can see here, zoomed in, is my measured move confluence of the bearish patterns. Okay, so 39K is in the cards. Now, what will happen in the short term? Well, you're most likely to see a small bounce. Okay, so it'll bounce from this 45K, go up again, but this, in my opinion, is going to be a bearish retest. So we'll struggle here and then eventually come back down. Okay, so it'll make another small bear flag and then come back down. So that is what I'm thinking. Now, this is the short term. Mid-term, I'm still going to refer to this fractal right here. Okay, in the midterm, this is what's likely to happen. This choppiness right here, this is the worst part where you want to trade. Okay, because you will most likely get stopped out of trades and this will make you impatient. The best thing to do is just watch it. Okay, simply watch it. Now, in the midterm, this is going to be the final accumulation phase, in particular for the altcoins. Okay, I will quickly mention this right here. Final phase alt accumulation. Okay, history has shown that this is where the altcoins bottom is actually in for the massive rally up after Bitcoin's stop has been confirmed. Okay, we can see 69K, 66K, and then again 60K rejection. The top of Bitcoin is in for this bull cycle. With that in mind, this is where I will personally look to accumulate altcoins, especially the ones that have not had their massive rallies yet. Alright, now where do I see it going in the midterm as final targets? Well, I will always refer to the Fibonacci's. So we'll take the rejection point at 66 and the bottom, which is yet to be confirmed, but hypothetical bottom is going to be 39K, and as you can see, my Fibonacci's key levels will be hit. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit anything between 56 and 60K. That is going to be my exit point of crypto market. Why? Because Bitcoin usually, after its top has been confirmed, Bitcoin gets rejected and goes into a multi-year bear market of this point. Okay, so that is a key level to watch. And we all know that we don't want to stay in holding coins and go into the bear market for 90% correction. So this is what my projection is for Bitcoin and why I think it has a little bit more leg down and where I will be accumulating more altcoins. And I will be not watching any more videos like, oh, buy the dip, oh, it's a great price. We have to let the price action complete. We have to let the coins complete their patterns so we can find an entry. Okay, that is it for today, guys. Thank you again for coming in. Please do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel. There will be more updates coming, more price prediction videos, more coins that have potential. I will be starting TA on them and I will be posting it out for you guys so you can also take advantage of them. Okay, if you want to join my Telegram group, please hit the link below in the description box. If you have any questions, please type them in the comment sections. I will get to them and I will reply to you. Thank you. Stay safe.